Looking at this massive floating city that is MSC Grandiosa, you might wonder if all the hype is actually worth it. I've sailed on dozens of cruise ships over the years, and let me tell you, this one definitely caught my attention from the moment I stepped aboard. This isn't just another cookie-cutter cruise ship. MSC has packed some serious surprises into this Mediterranean beauty. MSC Grandiosa launched in 2019 as one of the largest ships in MSC's fleet, and honestly, the sheer size hits you immediately. We're talking about a ship that can carry over 4,700 passengers, which sounds overwhelming until you actually experience how well the space is designed. The ship stretches over 1,000 feet long, making it longer than 3 football fields placed end to end. What really sets this ship apart is how MSC managed to create intimate spaces within such a massive vessel. You'd expect to feel lost in a sea of people, but the designers clearly put thought into creating cozy corners and quiet retreats throughout the ship. The Mediterranean influence shows up everywhere, from the color schemes to the architectural details that make you feel like you're sailing through the heart of Europe. Now let's talk about where you'll actually be sleeping, because honestly, this can make or break any cruise experience. MSC Grandiosa offers a pretty impressive range of accommodations that should fit most budgets and preferences. The inside staterooms are surprisingly spacious for rooms without windows, featuring modern decor and smart storage solutions that actually work. The ocean view cabins give you that crucial connection to the sea, with windows that let in natural light and provide those morning wake-up views of endless blue water. These rooms feel significantly more open than the interior cabins, and the price difference is usually worth it if you can swing the extra cost. The balcony staterooms are where things get really interesting though. MSC's balcony cabins on Grandiosa feature these sleek glass barriers that give you unobstructed views while you're lounging with your morning coffee. The furniture is modern and comfortable, and there's actually enough space to move around without bumping into everything. The bathrooms are compact but well designed, with decent water pressure in the showers. For those looking to splurge, the suite categories are genuinely impressive. The MSC Yacht Club suites come with their own exclusive area of the ship, complete with a private pool, restaurant, and concierge service. These suites feature separate living areas, walk-in closets, and some even have whirlpool tubs on their balconies. The service level in the Yacht Club feels more like a luxury hotel than a cruise ship. The family-friendly accommodations deserve special mention because MSC really thought about traveling with kids. Some staterooms can connect, and there are family suites with separate sleeping areas for children. The bathrooms in family rooms often include bathtubs, which any parent traveling with small children will appreciate after a long day of activities. One thing that impressed me about all the staterooms is the technology integration. The cabins feature smart TVs, USB charging ports throughout, and interactive service systems that let you order room service or book spa appointments right from your room. The air conditioning works well, which might seem basic, but trust me, you notice when it doesn't work properly on a cruise ship. When it comes to food, MSC Grandiosa takes the whole dining experience seriously, and I mean that in the best possible way. The main dining rooms serve up solid international cuisine with rotating menus that keep things interesting throughout your cruise. The service can be hit or miss depending on which dining room you're in, but the food quality is consistently good. The buffet situation on this ship actually works, which is saying something because cruise ship buffets can be absolute chaos. The marketplace buffet is huge and well organized, with clearly marked stations and enough space that you're not constantly bumping into other passengers. They've got everything from Asian stir-fries to Mediterranean specialties, plus a decent selection of healthier options. For specialty dining, Butcher's Cut Steakhouse serves up some seriously good meat. The prices are what you'd expect for specialty dining on a cruise ship, but the quality justifies the cost. The atmosphere feels upscale without being stuffy, and the service is typically excellent. Their dry-aged steaks are particularly impressive. Kaido Teppanyaki offers that classic Japanese hibachi experience where the chefs cook right in front of you. It's entertaining and the food is fresh and flavorful. The sushi bar attached to the restaurant serves decent sushi, though it's not going to blow away anyone who's used to high-end Japanese cuisine. The Italian restaurants on board really shine, which makes sense given MSC's heritage. El Atelier Bistro serves French-inspired cuisine in an intimate setting that feels more like a boutique restaurant than cruise ship dining. The wine selection throughout the ship is particularly strong, with good options from European vineyards. One of the most unique dining experiences has to be the chef's garden kitchen, where they actually grow some of the herbs and vegetables used in the restaurant right there on the ship. It's a small touch, but it shows attention to detail that you don't always see on cruise ships. The menu changes based on what's growing, which keeps things interesting. The casual dining options are solid too. There's a decent pizza place that serves thin crust pies throughout the day, and the gelato shop serves authentic Italian gelato that's actually worth the calories. The coffee bars serve proper espresso drinks, not the watered-down coffee you sometimes get on cruise ships. Let's talk about the pool situation, because this is where a lot of cruise ships either nail it or completely mess it up. MSC Grandiosa gets it mostly right. The main pool area is massive and can handle the crowds, even on sea days when everyone's trying to find a spot in the sun. The pool itself is a good size for swimming, not just standing around in the water. The adults-only area called MSC Yacht Club has its own private pool and sun deck, which stays much quieter and more relaxed. If you're staying in a yacht club suite, this becomes your personal oasis away from the family crowds. The service here is excellent, with staff bringing you towels, drinks, and snacks without you having to ask. The main sun deck has plenty of lounge chairs, though you'll want to claim yours early on busy sea days. The deck space is well designed, with different areas for different activities. There are quiet zones for reading, areas near the bars for socializing, and spaces where families can hang out without disturbing other passengers. The whirlpools scattered around the ship are actually hot and well maintained, which sounds basic but isn't always the case on cruise ships. They're positioned to take advantage of the best views, so you can soak while watching the ocean go by. The infinity pool at the back of the ship creates this cool optical illusion where the pool seems to blend into the ocean. For those traveling with kids, there's a dedicated children's pool area that's shallow and safe. The splash zone has water features that keep little ones entertained for hours. The whole area is designed so parents can keep an eye on their kids while still relaxing nearby. One thing that sets MSC Grandiosa apart is the sheer variety of water features. Beyond the standard pools, there are water slides that are actually fun for adults, not just kids. The slides are well designed and maintained, with reasonable wait times most of the day. Activities on this ship range from the expected to the genuinely surprising. The fitness center is huge and well equipped with modern machines and free weights. It's positioned with ocean views, which makes working out much more pleasant than staring at a wall. The group fitness classes are popular and well run, with instructors who actually know what they're doing. The sports deck includes a basketball court, mini golf course, and even a bowling alley. The bowling alley is particularly cool because it's a full-size facility with proper scoring systems and decent shoes for rent. It's a great rainy day activity or something different to do in the evenings. For those looking for more adventurous activities, there's a ropes course and zip line that provides some genuine thrills. The safety equipment is well maintained, and the staff running these activities are properly trained. The views from up there are incredible, giving you a perspective of the ship and ocean that you can't get anywhere else. The entertainment program is where MSC Grandiosa really shows off. The theater productions are genuinely impressive, with professional-level singing, dancing, and staging. These aren't the cheesy cruise ship shows you might expect. They're actual productions that would hold their own in a land-based theater. The sound and lighting systems are top-notch. The variety shows and guest entertainers rotate regularly, so even on longer cruises you're not seeing the same acts repeatedly. Comedy shows are hit or miss depending on the comedian, but when they're good, they're really good. The casino is large and well-run, with table games and slots that actually seem fair. Evening entertainment extends beyond the formal shows. There are multiple bars and lounges with live music, from jazz trios to dance bands. The atmosphere varies significantly between venues, so you can find quiet conversation spots or high-energy dance floors depending on your mood. The spa facilities on MSC Grandiosa deserve serious attention because they've created something special here. The Oria Spa is massive, with treatment rooms that feel more like luxury hotel spas than cruise ship facilities. The staff are professionally trained and the treatments are genuinely relaxing, not just going through the motions. The thermal suite includes saunas, steam rooms, and relaxation areas that create a proper wellness experience. The hydrotherapy pool and heated ceramic loungers provide different ways to unwind after days of activities or shore excursions. The whole area maintains a peaceful atmosphere that's surprisingly effective at helping you forget you're on a ship with thousands of other people. fitness programs go beyond basic gym access. There are yoga classes, Pilates sessions, and even meditation programs led by qualified instructors. The outdoor fitness areas let you exercise while enjoying ocean views and fresh air. Personal training sessions are available and reasonably priced compared to land-based options. The beauty salon and barber shop provide full services with skilled professionals. Whether you need a simple haircut or want a complete makeover for formal nights, the staff can handle it. The products used are high quality, not the cheap stuff you sometimes encounter on cruise ships. One unique feature is the salt room, designed for halotherapy treatments that are supposed to provide respiratory and skin benefits. Whether or not you believe in the health claims, it's a relaxing space that provides a different kind of wellness experience than traditional spa treatments. For families traveling with children, MSC Grandiosa offers some of the best kids facilities I've seen on any cruise ship. The kids' clubs are age-appropriate and well-supervised, with activities that actually engage children rather than just keeping them busy. The staff working with children are trained professionals who genuinely seem to enjoy working with kids. The teen areas are designed to appeal to that difficult-to-please age group, with gaming areas, sports activities, and social spaces where teens can hang out away from their parents and younger siblings. The programs for teens include activities both on the ship and during port days, giving them age-appropriate shore excursion options. Family-friendly shows and activities happen throughout the day, from character meet and greets to family game shows where parents and kids can participate together. The programming is well thought out, providing options for family time as well as separate activities that let parents and kids pursue their own interests. The children's dining options include kid-friendly menus in the main dining rooms and buffets, plus there are specific areas in the buffet designed for families with young children. High chairs and booster seats are readily available, and the staff are patient with families navigating meals with small children. Childcare services are available for parents who want some adult time, whether for spa visits, specialty dining, or just relaxing by the adult pool. The staff-to-child ratios are reasonable, and the facilities are clean and well-maintained. The ports of call and shore excursions available through MSC Grandiosa vary depending on your specific itinerary, but the ship primarily sails Mediterranean routes that include some absolutely stunning destinations. Popular stops include Barcelona, Rome, Naples, and various ports along the French Riviera. What sets MSC's shore excursions apart is the variety of options available at each port. You can choose from cultural tours that dive deep into local history, food tours that let you taste authentic regional cuisine, adventure excursions for those wanting more active experiences, or simple transportation to city centers for independent exploration. The excursion booking process is straightforward, and the departure and return logistics are well organized. Tour guides are generally knowledgeable locals who provide insights you wouldn't get exploring on your own. Group sizes are reasonable, so you're not part of a massive crowd shuffling through attractions. For those who prefer to explore independently, the ship provides detailed port information including maps, suggested attractions, transportation options, and timing recommendations to ensure you're back before departure. The crew is helpful in providing directions and local insights. Some ports offer overnight stays, which gives you the chance to experience destinations after the day trip crowds have left. These longer port visits are particularly valuable in cities like Barcelona or Rome, where there's simply too much to see and do in a single day. Taking an overall look at MSC Grandiosa, this ship succeeds in most areas while having a few spots that could use improvement. The sheer size means there's something for everyone, but it also means crowds during peak times and some impersonal service moments. The international crew generally provides good service, though language barriers occasionally create communication issues. The ship feels modern and well-maintained, with public areas that are clean and attractive. The elevators can be slow during busy periods, which is common on large ships but still frustrating when you're trying to get to dinner or a show on time. Signage throughout the ship is clear and helpful, making navigation easier than on some other large vessels. One area where the ship particularly excels is in creating different atmospheres in different areas. You can find quiet, sophisticated spaces as well as high-energy party areas, often just a few decks apart. This variety means couples or families with different preferences can find spaces that work for everyone. The value proposition is generally solid, especially when you factor in the variety of included dining options, entertainment, and activities. Specialty dining and drinks can add up quickly, but the base cruise experience provides plenty of value without additional purchases. What truly makes MSC Grandiosa stand out from its competitors is the Mediterranean flair that permeates every aspect of the ship. This isn't just marketing, you can see it in the design details, taste it in the food, and feel it in the overall atmosphere. The ship successfully captures that relaxed European vacation vibe while providing the amenities and activities that modern cruisers expect. The technology integration throughout the ship is impressive without being overwhelming. From the mobile app that lets you communicate with your travel companions anywhere on the ship to the smart cabin features that actually work, MSC has embraced technology in ways that enhance rather than complicate the cruise experience. The MSC Yacht Club concept deserves special mention as a unique selling point. This ship-within-a-ship approach creates an ultra-luxury experience for suite guests that rivals the best luxury cruise lines. The private facilities, dedicated staff, and exclusive amenities justify the higher cost for those looking for a premium experience. Another standout feature is the shopping areas, which feel more like upscale mall boutiques than typical cruise ship shops. The selection is curated and the quality is generally high, though prices reflect the captive audience situation. The duty-free shopping provides genuine savings on luxury items. The ship's commitment to environmental responsibility shows in various initiatives throughout the vessel. From water conservation programs to waste reduction efforts, MSC is making genuine efforts to reduce the environmental impact of cruise operations. These efforts don't significantly impact the passenger experience but reflect well on the company's values. For business travelers or those planning special events, MSC Grandiosa offers surprisingly sophisticated meeting and conference facilities. The business center provides necessary services like printing, internet access, and video conferencing capabilities. Meeting rooms can accommodate various group sizes and are equipped with modern audiovisual equipment. The event planning staff can coordinate everything from small business meetings to large celebrations like weddings or anniversary parties. The venues available range from intimate private dining rooms to large spaces that can accommodate significant gatherings. Catering options are extensive and the staff experienced in handling special dietary requirements and cultural preferences. Conference facilities include proper lighting, sound systems, and seating arrangements that work for business presentations. Internet connectivity in meeting areas is reliable and fast enough for video calls and online presentations. Support staff are available to help with technical issues and logistics. For special celebrations, the ship offers wedding packages that include ceremony locations, photography services, floral arrangements, and reception planning. The staff experienced in coordinating these events understand the importance of getting details right and work closely with couples to create memorable experiences. Some of the most memorable guest experiences on MSC Grandiosa come from unexpected moments of exceptional service. Passengers frequently mention crew members who went above and beyond, like housekeeping staff who created elaborate towel animals for children, or restaurant servers who remembered dietary preferences and favorite drinks throughout the cruise. The ship's guest services team has earned praise for handling problems quickly and professionally. Whether dealing with cabin issues, dining reservation problems, or shore excursion complications, the staff generally work hard to find solutions that satisfy passengers. Their multilingual capabilities help when dealing with the international passenger base. Many guests highlight the cooking classes and wine tastings as unexpected highlights of their cruise experience. These activities provide hands-on learning opportunities that create lasting memories beyond the typical cruise activities. The instructors are knowledgeable and enthusiastic, making these experiences both educational and entertaining. The captain's dinner and other formal events receive consistently positive feedback for their elegant presentation and quality food service. These occasions give the ship's staff opportunities to showcase their skills and create special moments that distinguish the cruise from a simple vacation. Passengers often mention the genuine friendliness of crew members from various departments, from the entertainment staff who remember names and preferences to maintenance workers who take time to explain ship operations when asked. These personal connections contribute significantly to the overall cruise experience and create positive memories that last long after the vacation ends.